Hi guys and welcome once again. So after we created our campaign and we choose the conversion and we name it under the name test ads cat food and we sell our daily budget at $25. So we're going to click continue and it's going to direct us to the ad set. So in the ad set, we're going to choose the conversion event, which is purchase. We want to drive purchases. Click purchase because we're looking for purchases. And I personally leave this one off and this one off too. And now let's go to the audiences. This one, if you already have some saved audiences. And now let's go to the location. So I'm going to choose the first one. People live or recently in this location. The location that I'm going to choose is Texas, United States country, it's a state, and also California, this is only the city of Los Angeles. I'm looking for California, United States, and also New York. And here it is, New York. And also I'm going to choose Florida. Florida part, country, Florida, United States. So now our ad, it's going to be shown to 4 states in the United States, which are California, the all states of California, Florida, New York, as well as Texas. So let's go to the ages. The ages, as we recently saw, that the people who preferred some products about cats are from 25 to 54. And gender, I'm choosing both genders, man and woman. And let's go to the behavior democracy. So I prefer to choose browse. In the demographic, I'm choosing based on their education level, and I'm choosing at the university, as well as the first option at the university, and in the university postgraduate and sometime master degree. And also sometimes I prefer to choose based on their financial income and top 10 plus top 5 plus top 10 plus top 10 to 25. So our ads is going to be shown only to people who are more likely to buy our product. So again, let's click browse and love of parents relationship based also on the relationship statue, and I'm going to show my ads to people who are engaged and people who are married and also single, divorced. Okay, that's enough. And now we're going to move to the most important thing, which is the interests. In the interest, I'm going to choose hobbies and activities, pets, and cats. People who love cats and they already have some cats. Interest, businesses, entertainment, family, relationship, fitness and wellness, food, drink, hobbies, okay. And now let's move to the behavior. In the behavior, we're going to choose purchase behavior, engaged shoppers. We're going to advertise and show our ads to people who already bought from the internet in the last couple of days. Travel. Okay, I think that's enough. So our ad is going to be shown to engage shoppers, people who have clicked on the call to action button shop now in the past week. Yeah, so it's in the past week. And people who are at the university and at the university postgraduate and master's degree. And the demographic, people who are of course rich, based on their household income, at the top 10 to 25, as well as the top 10 and the top 5%. And also I want to show my ads to people who are engaged and married, as well as single. And the interest, I'm only choosing one interest, which is cats. People who have shown an interest in cats. And now let's click suggestions. Let's see if there are any suggestions in relationship, dogs, pets. This could be important. Shopping, food, discovery, cat, dog, pets at home. And people who are dating, of course. And I think that's enough. So now let's move to show more options. Language, all. English, all. And connection, people add no, I don't want to add any connection type. And you can click save these aliases to save them in the next time if you want to advertise these people with a different product. So in the placements, I prefer to choose edit placements. And I prefer my ad to be shown only in Facebook, and within Facebook only in the Facebook news feed. So I'm going to leave this one checked. And that's good. Show more options. So devices, specific mobile devices and operating system. People who are using Android devices only and feature phones only, or iOS. So I'm going to choose all. And if you click check on this one, your ad is going to be shown only people that they are connected using a Wi-Fi. And of course, people who are connected using a Wi-Fi, they are at their own home and their own place, so they're gonna be comfortable taking a look on your ad. Let's move to the next one. Optimization for ad and the library. Click edit. The lowest button run. Okay. Show more options. 7 days after click. I prefer this one to be 1 day after click. Spend on when you are changed. Okay, and now we're all done. And when we're going to click continue, it's going to direct us to the ad. As you can see, guys, it's very easy. Things are very easy and you're going to learn it very fast. And Facebook, it's the most powerful social media to gain new customers. So let's go to click continue. And as you can see, it directs us to the ad.